there's an item showing up in our fresh food markets that I want to hip you to because I don't want you to miss out on the possibilities. It's called garlic scapes. Garlic scapes are actually the tops, the seed heads of varieties of garlic. It's the way the garlic plant wants to try to make baby seeds for next year. But we want to make sure that we capitalize on this incredible opportunity and turn it into a food source for our kitchen, while at the same time making sure that we encourage our garlic to send its energy to the bulb to make a big fat garlic for us instead of baby seeds for the top. Check it out. I've got a great recipe. I'll show you how to make a yummy, delicious treat.
Look at you and I going. We're going to the moon. Smells delicious. Whoa, look at it.
Okay, so the next time you find garlic scapes at your favorite fresh food market, you'll know what to do with them. Or if you see them growing at the top of your garlic plants, don't forget, snap them off, take them inside, and turn them into yummy food for you and everyone you love. Hey, don't ever forget, your health comes from the food that you eat, but your power comes from the food that you grow. You and I have an opportunity through the gardens that we are growing to regreen the little sliver of the earth that we call our home. Don't forget, you and I can make a difference. We can eat our way out of this mess. You take care. See you next time.